You know about embedded web servers, Tomcat, and how to configure it properly. What I want to show you is how we're going to build a simple API that we can send a HTTP request to it, and then we'll get a response. So basically here, we want to use Chrome to send a request to our application, to our Spring Boot application. Remember, we have Tomcat listening on port 8080, and then the application will process the request and then respond with the text hello. So let's go back to IntelliJ. And to build a simple API within Spring Boot, let's go ahead and have a method within our main class. So outside the main method, just say public. And in here, I'm going to say string. So this will be return type. I'm going to say greet. And this will return. So let's just say return and then hello. There we go. Now, in order for us to expose this method as a REST endpoint for clients to use as GET requests, we have to use this annotation here, at, and then get mapping. And with at get mapping, we have to pass in a path. So basically, I'm going to say /, and you'll see this in a second. And also, in order for this to work, we have to annotate this class here with at and then REST controller. This means that any method within this class that has any of these annotations, so get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, so on and so forth, they'll be exposed as REST endpoints that clients can call. Cool. Now, what I need to do is restart my server. And you can see that the application started on port 8080. Let me open up Chrome. And before on port 8080, we had the 404 status code, meaning that the path, so /, had no mapping. But now if I basically send the same request, check this out. We have hello in here, which is really nice. So localhost 8080, this is the root. Let me show you. In here, we said /, this is the root. Now, if I was to change this to greet in here and reload the application, go back to Chrome, and if I reload, you can see that 404, meaning that we don't have an explicit mapping for the root path. But what we have is / and then greet. And you can see that we have hello in here. So there you have it. This is your first API with Spring Boot.